Hi, I'm Neil Creek and welcome to Night Photography Unlocked. In this course, we're going to teach you all about how to take photos with any camera after the sun goes down. The goals for this course are to show you how to get amazing photos at night and how to unlock the creative potential of nighttime photography. What will you learn in this course? You'll learn the difficulties and challenges that are specific to night photography and how to overcome them. You'll learn the strengths and weaknesses of a variety of different cameras, and you'll learn how to make the most of your own camera to get great night photos. I'll also show you how to unlock the creative potential of photography at night and get amazing photos that you just can't get in the daytime. And I'll show you how to process the photos that you take at night and go through the unique challenges that come from processing night photos. What do you need to participate in this course? All you need is a camera and the desire to learn how to use it to take night photos. For some of the lectures, we'll be using some specialised equipment like tripods and extra lights, but you don't have to have those, they're optional. If you do have them though, we'll show you how to use them in night photography. The way to get the most out of this course is to approach it with an attitude to learn, enthusiasm for figuring out how to make the camera work, and understanding that there's going to be a little bit of hard work in learning new settings, in understanding how the camera works to get good night photos, and how to control the camera. It's not really difficult, but it's essential to understand these things to get the best possible night photos. It's also important that you understand your camera, you know how it works. You need to read your manual and you need to be familiar with your camera and its functions, how to control them and how to access the different various features. You also need to turn what we've learned in the course into practice. So for each lecture, I recommend you go out and you make the most of what you've learned and actually turn it into practice, see the results of the photos and learn from that result. So keep practicing and keep shooting, and the things you learn from the lectures will be shown in your photos much better and much more quickly. So, who am I? Who will you be taking this course from? My name is Neil Creek and I'm a professional photographer and photography educator. I've written a series of ebooks on photography, the Photo Nuts series. I've also run a variety of photography courses, and you can also watch me and my work on my Facebook page, where if you sign up you can participate in ongoing photography discussion. And you're encouraged to interact with myself and other photographers there and ask any questions you might have about the course. I'll also be interacting with students via the Udemy interface, so feel free to leave any questions or comments on any of the lectures as you go through them, and I'll respond to them for you in person. If you're not already familiar with my ebooks, I highly recommend you checking them out. A lot of the stuff we'll be talking about in this course will gloss over some of the nitty-gritty that you need to understand to get the best out of photography, because it's not really part of night photography specifically. But if you want to become a better photographer and learn more about how the camera works, about how to improve your photography, about how to process your photos, then I highly recommend checking out my books. You might find them interesting. So some of the photos you've already seen in this introduction are the photos that we'll be taking throughout this course, and the kind of photos that you can take with almost any camera that you've got. We're going to be covering all kinds of cameras, right from the iPhone type camera all the way up to a digital SLR. So anyone can participate. So I encourage you all to get on board, learn how your camera works, and get the best night photos that you ever thought was possible. We'll see you in the next lecture.